channel decided to unboxing and reviewing the latest gadgets with a special focus on touch products. From smartphone to accessories, Touch Wallet provide in-depth insight helping reviewing make informed decision. With engaging content and high quality visual, the channel aims to become a go-to source for touch enthusiasts. One of the most popular and innovative smartphone covered on Touch Wallet is the iPhone. Touch Wallet is the iPhone now for the premium design, powerful performance and seamless in ecosystem. The iPhone continue to set benchmark in the smartphone industry. Yeah, welcome again in my channel Redmi Note 15 Pro. I will show you the 2000 mAh camera and this mobile is very nice. Redmi Note 14 Pro is the best mobile in this series.